Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to understitch. Look, oh. Okay, so you can use understitching when you want your garment to have a facing or a lining so that the edge will be clean. And when you do understitching, you no longer need to top stitch the edge. Look, oh, it's nice, right? Imagine this is the neckline or something. Okay, so these are the materials that you need. Two identical fabrics. I'm using Duchess satin again because I love Duchess satin. Char. So imagine that this white fabric is the lining and this is the main fabric or the fabric that is in front. So imagine this is the neckline or something. Okay, so just sew around the perimeter of the neckline. Since this is curved, it's important that you snip around the seam allowance so that it will create an ease or something, or so that it will not create some tension or something. Okay, since this fabric, this white one, is the lining fabric or the facing fabric, you need to stitch right here on the white fabric only. That's understitching. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that when you understitch, when you stitch here, you need your seam allowance to point directly at the facing fabric or the lining fabric. So when you flip it like this, my seam allowance should point directly right over there. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so remember that this side is the only one that I'm stitching. Okay, so now let's flip this thing. Okay, so see, do you get what I mean? And as you can see, since I did an understitch, you no longer need to top stitch it. You know what I'm saying? It's very nice. See? It's nice, right? So this is the back side. This is the front. Back, front.